Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tanya, and we continue to watch all the done behind the scenes videos. And next one was supposed to be making of the costume, but that one does not have the subs yet. So I skipped that one for now, and I went to the making of the concept. That was the question I had. How they came up with the concept. How long did it take to film, conceptualize, plan, film, edit in total from beginning until end? How long did it take them? So I wonder if my question is going to be answered in this video. Okay, let's watch it together. 1, 2, 3.
Release before has been true to their characters. So, kapag ibabalik natin kung sino sila before and ipasok natin sa dam, since sobrang nag-connect lahat. Dito siya. Dito yung statue.
Basically, Dam is Pablo's dream. Literally, Pablo's dream.
Really?
Ang taas ng pressure, lahat kami ganado to really perform. Gusto namin ng mahabang planning. Gusto namin ng...
Okay, wait. Who are these people? Creative producer and photographer Luis Anthony Duran, and creative director and executive producer is Iana Chris Forbes. Okay, that is going to be interesting. Okay.
Ang pulidong planning and may time for the artistry to grow.
And pinagbigyan tayo.
And pinagbigyan talaga. Sobrang grateful kami doon. And yung amount of creative freedom, natatranslate ko ng maayos in terms of the logos, in terms of the look, the colors. Kasi yung songwriting na mismo na ilalatag niya sa akin. And sobrang na-appreciate namin yun as artists kasi we get to see the intention behind the music. Natatranslate namin dun sa visual that pinoproduce namin ngayon for them. Let's make sure everything connects, everything snaps in. So people would think and people would look back to everything that they have released before. And we have Alan Shi as the director.
Has been working with them.
Has been working with them
since what?
Since what?
Actually, since the trailer of Ikalawang Yugto. So always been Alanshi.
So Alanshi, Carlo, it's been the same team. That's why it feels like home. One of the challenges pa was sa creative direction part was the wardrobe. Kasi since it's medieval, it requires so much attention to detail. That's why good thing we have the best of the best. Like literally right now here, sila Miss Rain, sila Francis Libiran, sila Neric Beltran.
Dun sa briefing pa lang, ang sabi nila is, ito na guys, welcome back. Kasi since tayo rin yung gumawa ng pagtatagpa. So parang sabi nila na this is the third chapter. We have to conduct an interview with them, like a discovery session with the members to really get to know what they want to tell.
Yung seed, para mahihigitan sa ganda. So, for example, umakit ka ng bundok, ang taas na narating mo. But how do you higitan yun? Tatanim ka, may puno. Period siya, di ba? Pero it's also a seed that you can plant and you can reach more heights. And at the same time, you're able to inspire people through that seed kasi babalik. Parang naging cycle siya.
So parang ang initial nilang brief is, it's medieval. And then, sa
I am very focused and I am really, really, really interested in what they are talking about. But let me have a moment.
Lang brief is, it's medieval.
Can we have a photo book? I'm going to be screaming about the photo book in every reaction to Dam related to Dam. With this concept, with this much effort, which they put into a set, music video, costumes, song, this whole concept, everything, it feels almost a pity if it would not stay in a form of not just videos, but in form of a book. Like I need a book. Like the book Justin's holding in the music video. I need a book of it. I need this whole story. Can they just, the crazy idea, can it be a picture book? A story, like manga, or like a fairy tale, like a picture book for kids, but not for kids, but for adults, with a story told, but in with pictures and everything, where the whole book, where they could talk about the concept, about all the ideas that they had, about the meaning behind everything. I'm not demanding, I'm just asking. Like, please, pretty please, give us a big, good photo book. I am so willing to pay for that. I need that. This is just pure art.
And then, sacrifice.
One of the challenges pa was, it requires so much attention to detail. Okay? Alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So, it makes everything easy in terms of visually ha. Kasi nagpo-provide sila ng gusto nila. Na-appreciate namin si Stel kasi actually, sobrang laki na ng tinulong niya sa story.
Yung character niya, kasi sabi niya, I would like to suggest na sana may dalawang character ako.
You can see I have two personalities then, which is the good and bad still. So yung good, technically, siya yung nakakulong doon sa loob ng mirror. And yung bad, siya yung parang nag-uudyok doon sa mga tao na parang pumilit pumasok nung mga layers namin. Parang puntahan yung
forcing his way into tree. Also, he wanted to visit the
magic tree. Yung bad still yung nagsasabi sa tao na parang they really need to go inside para makita and makuha yung fruit nung tree na yun.
Sa story natin sa dam, if kailangan nilang buhayin yung tree, hindi nila magagawa yun nang wala si Stel. Kailangan pakawalan ni Stel yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Para makatulong siya sa grupo. Yun yung halos naging main plot ng Dam na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag, kasi diba, dugo din
Stel's blood that brought the tree to life. Wait, Stel's blood?
Ng Dam na music video.
Tsaka yung in terms of pagtatag, kasi diba, dugo din talaga ni Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
Siya yung nagtanim, oo.
Wait. What? He's
Dugo
one
din
of
talaga
what?
ni Stel yung nakabuhay ng tree.
Actually, siya yung nagtanim.
He's one who planted it.
Siya yung nagtanim, oo, sa ikalawang yugto. Basically, ganun siya ka-vital in terms of the entire universe.
Si Pao naman, yung contribution niya, bukod sa siya yung nagsulat ng song and all. Kumbaga, binigyan niya kami ng insight to ano ba talagang iniisip niya during na sinusulat niya yung song. So, sabi niya dun sa discovery session is, panaginip niya talaga yung dam. So, parang ang dream niya is, nakatayo silang 5 sa isang dam.
Parang dulo.
Parang
cliff,
dulo, parang cliff, oo. So, parang kaya sa music video nilagyan namin siya ng parang cliff. Yung dam kasi may pinipigilan ka, di ba? Pinipigilan mo yung flow ng water.
Ang Wolf King, napakadami niya ng digmaang nilabanan. And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban, sa digmaan.
Also, it was Pablo's hands holding the apple. Excuse me.
And dumating sa point na napapagod na siya sa mga laban-laban.
I saw hands on apple. I had no idea it was Pablo's hands.
laban sa digmaan. So, parang nagpahinga
Like
siya
this
sa
picture, I
kanyang
need
lair
in the-
kung saan namalagi siya for many years. The ability niya is shadows. So, he's able to control the shadows. And so, syempre, hindi pwede sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
Basically, Dam is Pablo's
Sinaga ng araw kasi nga nandun na siya sa lair.
basically Dam is Pablo's dream. Kasi panaginip niya talaga.
Panaginip
And natutuwa kami na napapanaginipan niya yung boys kasama siya sa panaginip. And
Kaya kasama siya sa pangarap.
Oo, kasama sa pangarap.
Dapat mag-call sa face.
Hulog.
Sige lang. Pero ano? Ako, ang galing.
And lahat dapat approve nila. Lahat dadaan sa kanila. So parang, alam mo yun, the moment na may na-approve na talagang lahat sila on board.
Look at those costumes! Woo! That's so excited. That's so exciting. It's just sitting like, look at this. These, you guys, is something what you're gonna be wearing. If I could only wear something like that.
Word doon.
Lahat-lahat kami sobrang alam na namin yung creative brief by heart.
Ah.
It's better.
During meetings,
That's funny.
si Josh, ang dami na talagang
Ang
suggestions.
dami niya. Siya yung pinakamadaming insight, suggestions, tsaka
Tsaka, yun nga, siguro sa kanila lahat, siya yung pinaka ma-experience sa games tsaka sa mga medieval.
Basically, kuwa, di ba, pag naglalaro ka ng mga MMORPG, RPG, di ba, meron mga
What's
classes. Nandun ako sa class na parang assassin or thief.
so gusto niya nang may power siya.
Nagkataon din na may powers ako kasi sabi ko gusto ko na may powers ako. And for this time, I wanted to be lightning. Matagal ko na kasi kung magkakaroon ako ng powers, is siguro yung lightning. It looks super cool. Ganun. Pero,
Thunder in Japan.
and then nagdidecay din yung ibang parts ng katawan ko. Nag-feel na kami, in a way, and ako, dun sa mga nangyayari.
Yan, ang ganda niya. Yan, sige ko ba?
Pero syempre, minsan kasama lang yung sa challenges ng buhay natin. Hindi tayo syempre papayag na mahina tayo. It's
I'm
just a
sorry,
bad
guys,
day.
I'm not sleeping.
Not a bad life.
Nung dinidirect ko siya kanina about sa isang post niya, sinabi ko lang yung certain, sabi ko mag-require din post ka from Dota. Alam niya na agad. So, yun yung thing about Josh kasi ang dali niya pumasok doon sa role niya ngayon.
Baliktad yung sigsig ko. Baliktad? Marumi kasi ito eh.
Tapos sa meetings din naman, usually
Ah. Okay, let me have a break. Usually Ken is excessively talkative. Seriously? For real, for real? Usually.
kasi si Ken, ang dal-dal niya talaga. Tapos siya yung tumatayo. Tapos parang sabi niya, alam ko yan. Alam ko yung reference niya. Alam ko yung ganyan.
Yung character ko sa music video is para siyang warrior and madami siyang pinagdaanan. He has a lot. One thing is parang troubled siya or anxious siya because of what happened.
Okay. I'm listening.
Sa war. So, that's why pag nakikita niyo sa music video, and that's why yung character ko naging ganyan is because he wants to protect the tree. And of course, yun yung goal ng group.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start ka muna sa Yuko, Ken. Yung buka muna. Yan. Okay.
Sila Josh, si Ken, they know the material. Ultimo, pati yung details ng book, sinabi ni Ken na mas maganda yan pag may mga metal parts, pag ganito yung writing. As in, lahat sila may inputs to that very...
fabulous belt. It's just, like, snatch me off. I'm listening and reading, and it really looks like a obi belt. I don't know if that's obi, but it's beautiful.
Very detail. Si Jack kasi sobrang natutuwa kami kasi lahat ng ipoproduce namin, lahat ng ipaplano, ipapakita namin sa kanya visually, sobrang nagugustuhan niya, sobrang appreciative siya for it. And may inputs din talaga sila na what if ganito yung material na, what if ganito yung color.
Magsasend talaga siya ng photo, magsasearch siya.
Oo, as in real time, pag nakita niya, magsasend agad siya ng photos para lang to suggest. Hanggang makarating kami ngayon kasi I believe that the boys, SB19, alam nila yung gusto nila eh. So it makes everything easy in terms of visually. He represents the decisions of the group. Then
yung character ko naman dito sa Damn music video is very, sabi ko me, very me. Kita niyo naman
this earring is absolutely stunning.
Nature, ganyan, halahalaman. Blind ako, pero I can see more than what the normal people can see. Parang ganun yung mensahe niya na hindi lang ako nakakita basta, but I can see what's beyond. And nakita ko nga kung ano yung solusyon dun sa problema, parang ganun. Ang role ko is, yung character ko, isang researcher. Yun, even though I'm blind, I can see what's beyond.
From the past projects, ito talaga yung pinaka hands-on sila. Kasi sa lahat ng meeting, they make sure na nandyan silang lahat.
doon namin naramdaman na sobrang pina-prioritize na to. As in, sobrang binibigyan nila ng effort, binibigyan nila ng time. Basically, yung MV na to, ang taas ng value for them na they wanted they wanted to be as ambitious as possible. They wanted to be personal as possible. Sobrang naging madali because everybody is on board. As in, lahat kami it's on the single. As in, lahat kami in one page.
Sobrang ganda, sobrang happy ng boys sa kinalabasan.
And we are very happy with the outcome as well. The outcome is beyond any words. It's bigger than life. It's huge. It's amazing. It's art. I am only hoping and praying and really pretty please give us a photo book this time. All these pictures, all these clothes cannot disappear and go like disappear after this whole tour is finished. I don't know. Do something about it. All these clothes are so damn pretty. I don't know, keep them. I remember I saw they had a kind of like a exposition or something of SB19. I think it was it Pact Attack? No, I think it was What? Maybe it was their first EP. It was like an exhibition where people could go through that place and see the costumes and see the set parts and things like that. If they could make an exposition somewhere and put all this, like, create this set and the costumes so that people can actually see them close, I would pay money to go there and see it all with my own eyes, like, from the close distance. This is amazing. I'm so impressed by this work. Everyone did just so well. Wow. Damn is bigger than life. See you guys in my next video. Bye.